Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are good. In today's video I'm going to be creating this look. I thought this video was gonna be like a chit chat, get ready with me, or a mini vlog. That was my intention going into this weekend. I was so busy, I had so many things to do. They were not as interesting as I would have liked. I really hoped that I get to catch up with you guys and just chat with you and let you guys know what has been happening in my life and all of that, but I promise that very soon that will come. So I just woke up and decided that, you know what, this is the perfect day for me to just create a makeup look, a very fun makeup look, and that is the look that I have on today. It's a pink eye, pink lip, purple vibe. It's just a nice fun color, and I really had fun creating this look for you guys, and I hope that you will enjoy watching. So just stay tuned until next time. From me to you guys, with love. Mwah. So the focus area for this video will be the eyes. The eyes are going to be dramatic. I haven't done a dramatic look in forever, so I feel like it's only fitting that I go in and just do a dramatic look. So I will be using my Juvia's Place palette. It's the festival palette together with my Bad Habit palette called Athena, and this one I will only be using this to get a transition shade out of it, and then this one I'll be using the pink and the black from it. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I've already primed my eyes. I've already done my eyebrows off camera because that tends to take forever. So let's get straight into this video. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do, as you can see, I'm done with this eye. I'm just gonna start with this eye. I've primed, I've done all the things. I'm going in with my Athena palette. I'm taking this peach color, mixing it with this brown color called Truth, this one, and then I'm gonna use those two as my transition colors. Picking those. I'm gonna go into this Juvia's Place palette, and then I'm gonna take this shade right here and pack it on my crease and on my lid. I'm just gonna pack it all there. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place palette again. I'm gonna take the black shade on the corner. It's called Peleke. I'm gonna take that and pack that on the outer corner. So here, I'm gonna pack that there. So now that I've packed that, I'm just going to blend that with the color I used, the brush I used for my transition shade. just gonna go back into that pink to make sure that the pink, because it got a bit tainted when I was using the black. So I'm just making sure that I blend the two very well. And then I'm taking this brush again to blend everything. Done that, I'm gonna go into my inner corner here with the gold shade. It's called Odogu. It comes from my Juvia's Place. So this shade right here by the corner, so that's what I'm gonna use on my inner corner to sort of create that metallic finish, a very nice metallic transition. So you'll see it looks like a cut crease, but honestly I'm not even trying to make it as perfect as a properly cut crease. I'm just highlighting the inner corners. And this gold color is nice because it's very pigmented. And then to make sure that the pink is still popping, I'll go back in and take a bit of pink and pack it just so that it's the star of the show. There's obviously a lot of fallout, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go and put on my lashes and wipe the fallout, and I'll come back to finish the rest of my foundation routine on camera, but nothing changed, so I'll just fast forward through that. So guys, for foundation I'm gonna be using this one. This is Estee Lauder. I'm testing out, the reason why it's inside this is that I'm testing out this shade because I need to make sure that it's the right shade for me to use. So I got this sample for me to test out for a couple of days, and then if I am happy I'll purchase this one. I wasn't really happy with it, like I don't know guys, you tell me. I feel like it's a bit darker for me. I'm not sure, like I really feel like it's dark, and I've worn this once going to work, and later on, like in the afternoon, it became so dark. The shade of this is sandalwood, so I don't know, but obviously when they match you, they will compare your face with your neck. Like I said the last time, that my neck is a bit darker than my face, so that is why maybe they gave me like a darker shade. I really am not sure. You guys, please tell me down below how you think it suits me, if it does suit me or it doesn't suit me. Oh my god, my nail. I'm gonna apply that with my stippling brush. lips, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liqueur, the pink one, over the MAC. I'm not sure. Oh, this shade is called Heroine, so I'll go over this with that pink color just to make it a bit soft.